Jai Hind, dear students. Today we are discussing a few things about women entrepreneurs. First of all, we are discussing about women entrepreneur. Women entrepreneur is a person who accepts challenging road to meet her personal need and became an economically independent. They are economical, social, religious, cultural, and other factors existing in the society which responsible for the emergency of entrepreneurs. Women entrepreneurs have been designated as the new engines for the growth of rising starts of economies in developing countries. They bring the prosperity and welfare. One definition of women entrepreneur is that women entrepreneur refers to equally to someone who has started as one women business to someone who is principal in the family business or partnership or someone who is the shareholder in the public company which she runs. Next one, the qualities of an women entrepreneurs. They accept the challenges, they are ambitious, they are hardworking, they are patient, they are motivated, they are adventurous, they are conscious, they are educated, they are intelligent. So every women entrepreneurs have at least few of these qualities. A successful women entrepreneur has evaluate the market conditions critically and take the decisions. Next one, functions of women entrepreneur. Planning, organization, decision, risk bearing. As you know, planning is deciding in advance what is to be done in future. So, women entrepreneurs must evaluate the future conditions. Second one, organization. It means that arrange all the activities through an organization. Next one, decision making. One of the important functions of women entrepreneur is that decision making. Decision making is a crucial part in entrepreneurship. They are also risk bearing. Risk, as you know, the risk is the chance of loss. The women entrepreneur also risk bearers. Next one, the government of India defined women entrepreneurs is an enterprise owned and controlled by the women, having minimum financial interest of 51% of capital and giving at least 51% of employment generated in the enterprises to women. The both financial interest and the 51% are women. Reasons why women entrepreneurs became an entrepreneurs. They are innovative thinking, they are the role model to others, self identity and social status, need for additional income, support of family business, educational and qualification. They have right education and qualification, self fulfillment, new challenge, freedom to take down the decisions, employment generation, success stories of the friends and relatives, government policies and procedures. Next one, reasons for slow progress of women entrepreneurs in India. Problems faced by women entrepreneurs in India. First one, problem of finance. Finance is regarded as the lifeblood of any business enterprise, being in big or small. Firstly, women do not generally have a property on their name to use them as a collateral for obtaining funds from the external sources, so that the access of external source fund is limited. Secondly, The bank also consider women less creditworthy and discourage women borrowers on belief that they can at any time leave their business. Second problem, training programs. The training programs are essential to new rural young entrepreneurs who wish to set up the small and medium scale unit. The programs enrich the skill and the potential women entrepreneur. Next one, another problem faced by women entrepreneurs are male dominated society. The Constitution of India speaks of the equality between sexes, but in practice, women are looked upon the asbia, weak in all respect. In male-dominated Indian society, women are not treated equal to men. This turn serves as a barrier to the women entry into the business. Another problem faced by women entrepreneurs is the lack of education. In India, around 60% of women are still illiterate. Illiteracy is the root cause of socio-economic problem. Due to the lack of education, women are not aware of the business, technology, and the market knowledge. Also, lack of education causes low achievement motivation among women. Next one, market-oriented risk. A number of women have to face the challenges of market because of stiff competition. Many businesswomen find that difficult to capture the market and compensate with their product. They are not fully aware of challenging marketing conditions. Sixth problem faced by women entrepreneurs is that motivational factors. Successful men can be self-motivated through setting up a mind and taking up the risk and accepting social responsibilities on shoulder. The other factors such as family support, government policies, financial assistance, etc. are also important to set up business. Seventh one, lack of confidence. Women lack of confidence is in their strength and competence. The family members and the society reluctant to stand beside their entrepreneurial growth. Another one is social ecosystem. At very young age, the girls are taught that they are hustle and tumbles to doing the business or sport is just a dominant to men. Limited mentoring opportunities and also another important factor of problem faced by the entrepreneurs, funding and financing, marketing problems. Another challenge faced by the women entrepreneurs include being exploited by the middlemen due to the lack of resources to market their products to a large community. Tips women entrepreneurs to kickstart their small business. Explore your market, write your business plan, consult with the professionals, research about your products and services, start a business you passionate about it. Some of the famous entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs are Shina Zuzain, another one is Dr. Kiran Manjir Show, another one is Ikta Kapoor, Indira Krishnamurthy. These are the famous women entrepreneurs functioning in India.